Welcome to Columbus State Library's tutorial on using Academic Search Complete. Academic Search Complete is a scholarly database that covers all areas of study. It allows you to search for articles on a wide range of topics, and it's an excellent starting point for research. To access Academic Search Complete, navigate to the Databases AZ page on the library website and click on Academic Search Complete. If you're off campus, you will be prompted to log in with your username and password. At this point, you're able to enter your search term and click on the magnifying glass to do a basic search, but by clicking on Advanced Search, you'll be able to use a variety of settings and options to tailor your search. We'll look at some of the most commonly used tools on the Advanced Search page. First, enter your search term. I'm going to start with something simple like service animals. You can use the drop-down boxes to add more terms to your search string with and, or, and not, and put your other search terms in these boxes here if you wish. Next, you will select any additional databases you want to search. By clicking on Academic Search Complete above the search bar, you'll open a list of other databases that can also be included in your search. By choosing the databases that are relevant to your research topic, you can search efficiently without having to repeat your search for each database you want to use. You can see short descriptions of each database's content on the Databases A to Z page. EBSCO Full Text Only is a useful option for accessing full articles. By clicking on this checkbox, your search results will be limited to only articles that have full text access. This way you will always be able to read the entire article immediately. Scroll down to the section titled Publication Date, which will let you limit your results to articles published within a certain date range. You can select articles from all time, the past 12 months, the past 5 years, the past 10 years, or a custom date range that you can enter. So for this search, I'm going to limit my results to the past 5 years. Now that you've selected your search options, click the blue search button at the bottom right corner of the page and you'll see your search results. You can see there are over 25,000 results for this particular search. At this point, you can feel free to edit your search term in the search bar at the top, and your advanced search settings should remain. You can also edit how many search results appear per page and how the search results are sorted. Select an article and click the title to see additional information about the article. You'll see publication information like the names of the article's authors and the journal or magazine in which the article was published. Be sure to scroll down to see the abstract, which is a brief summary of the article's main points. Reading the abstract is a very important part of the research process. It allows you to get an idea of the article's content before you spend time reading the article itself. After reading the abstract, you can access the text of the article by scrolling up and clicking on the drop-down menu that says Access Options. Click PDF if you want to see the article in PDF form, and online full text if you want to view the article on the web page. The article will appear the same way it would in the print version of the publication, and you can see that if there are any graphs, charts, tables, or images, those will be included. Go back, and to get the article's citation from the article's information page, which is the same page that shows the abstract, click the quotation mark icon up to the upper right of the article's title. This will open a window with a drop-down menu of citation formats. So go find the format that you're using for your paper, like APA or MLA, and click on it, and a citation for the article will be generated. You can copy and paste this citation onto your references or works cited page. Remember that these citations are automatically generated, so it's always recommended to double check this citation to make sure the format is correct. There are a few ways to save an article to access later. One way is to click the download button. You will have the option of downloading either a PDF or the online full text version. As you can see, the PDF format is recommended. And you can also download the article by clicking on the download icon that looks like a downward arrow above the article's title, near the citation icon. If you want to save a link to read or download the article later, you can click on the share icon, which looks like a right pointing arrow, and then click on create link. If you copy this link and save it somewhere, it will always lead you back to this page right here. Those are the basics of Academic Search Complete, and remember, if you have any questions or need any help, you can always reach us at library.cscc.edu via email, phone, or chat. Thank you very much.